Hi, what's up guys? In this video I wanted to show you how to fix error message when you try to connect to Postgres. So let me show you. I will try to do this by connecting as user Postgres and then to host localhost, and also database name will be the same Postgres. I will press enter and here you can see the error, which is fatal ident authentication failed for user Postgres. So let's try to fix it. We just need to edit one file. In my case it is located here at var lib and then pgsql /data/pg underscore hba.conf, but this location might differ depending on the version of Postgres database which you are using. So let's open this file, scroll it down. Here you just need to change this line if you are connecting using IP4, and also this line if you're connecting by IP6, but you can change both of them. So let me show you. Just change ident to MD5. This is the authentication method, and MD5 means that you need to supply your password when you are connecting to database. So now you just need to save this file, exit, and we are ready to restart database. I will use this command sudo systemctl restart postgres SQL. Press enter, and now we can try to connect again. I will type in the same command, press enter, and you can see there is no error message anymore. So now I just need to type in my password, and here you can see I've got my Postgres shell, and now I can run some Postgres commands, which works fine. So I hope this was useful for you, and thanks for watching.